Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Tóyìn onímọ̀jowú ẹ̀ jọ nítorí Ọlọ́run baby mama ni ẹ́ baby mama ni mí o ò tí ì nílé forget your deceit and lies you tell your followers and your fans èmi ò wábí láti járó ẹ̀ but jumping up and down calling me haters mò ń jowú ẹ̀ for what I don't know mi ìmọ̀ tó ti gbé kalẹ̀ o you see you were saying Tóyìn èmi ò wábí láti wá járó ẹ̀ forget your lies and deceit lifestyle you see who lives in glass house must not throw plank ṣe o jẹ́ pé stone ni ó kàn máa ní spot but plank will scatter everything. This is me, Lizzie Anjorin. I'm a lane minder. I'm a one man mopo. Everybody knows that. Èmi jowú ẹ̀ for what? Why? Oh nílé oh ní mọ́tò baby mama ni ẹ́ baby mama ni mí mi ò ìwọ ń sọ pé they should leave you should breastfeed your child. Tóyìn, you want to feed your own child but you are busy bringing down another. Ó ṣe mí láàánú fún ẹ kò bá má jẹ́wọ́ Tóyìn. You see, film industry is very very sensitive because ilé ayé yìí ẹ gbàgbé pé mi máa ń ṣe papapapa ọkàn tèmi mọ́. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself, Tóyìn Ayémàkọ. Your glorified fan. As in a woman you publicly celebrate on your page DM'd another blogger to bring down your own fellow artist and you still have the guts to come say mo ń lọ pé lọ́ọ̀yà wo Tóyìn ìwọ lówó lọ́ọ̀yà astagfirullah ìwọ lówó lọ́ọ̀yà Tóyìn níwọ tó jẹ́ pé ilé alágbo ọmọ ló bímọ sí ó take ní 10 days kó tó lè sọ pé ó bímọ because ó need láti lọ rent costume láti ṣe photo shoot láti parọ́ àdẹ̀tú járó ẹ̀ ta lèmi láti járó ẹ̀ Ọlọ́run nìkan ló lè járó èèyàn. Ìwọ tó jẹ́ pé nígbà tó ń dá 20,000 fún ẹ wọ́n ní láti gbé placard 1 million pé wọ́n dá àṣẹ lówó. Tóyìn, you should groom those followers. You have a fantastic followers but you should groom them for business because èmi àti ẹ mọ̀ pé kò sí nǹkan kan ní film industry. Tóyìn, má bẹ̀dẹ̀ jẹ́ kó tó dẹ̀dẹ̀ o. Yes, you are still coming to the business world because we need business to survive as an artist. I will deal with you as if I will still need you, and that is why I don't bring people down. And I want to tell you something for the fact that when I heard about your new joy, I was in Hajj. We're going from Mecca to Medina. I was so happy. Tóyìn, mo tún ṣàdúrà fún ẹ. Ọlá pé mo ṣàdúrà fún ò sí ń bẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run rí mi gbogbo òrùngbà ẹ lórí mi á dẹ̀ máa jẹ́ tiẹ̀ tọmọ ẹ àti tàwọn òṣìṣẹ́ ẹ. Òrùngbà tèmi náà kẹ̀dẹ̀ lórí ẹ Tóyìn á máa jẹ́ tèmi náà àtọmọ mi. I have a very good heart and that is the secret behind me, the major secret behind me. The other time when I was talking about the other colleague, what I was fighting for was ẹ jẹ́ kẹ́ni tó bá máa gbé fake life lo fake life wọ́n ní ẹ kọ́lé ẹ gbé sí gbá ẹ ká and I was like àwọn English náà ń kọ́lé wọ́n ń gbé sí. That is why people are rating them above us, so let us do our own too. ẹni tó bá fẹ́ gbé fake life ẹ jẹ́ ó gbé. As at then when I was fighting gbogbo èbú tán bú mi oore ni mo tún fi rí gbà wọ́n nítorí pé ẹ̀yin ń bú mi ní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ fi ń bú mi ẹ̀yin ló yé mo yí Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé inú kan ni mo ní. As at then mi ò tí ì ṣe bíbá bóyá mo tiẹ̀ máa ń yọ̀ fáwọn olóríire lọ́lọ́run kan ṣe ń gbàdúrà mi. I don't know. You should be ashamed of yourself. You said I call you a bastard. Yes, you are a bastard because your own father denied you before he died. Tóyìn, I wish people see the messages you sent to me. Èpè ẹ má lè mi ṣe pé mi ò ṣe pé mi ń ṣeré pa ni èmi ṣe pé nìyẹn orí yín bàjẹ́ orí yín èmi ń ṣeré pa ni oní tíátà lèmi Tóyìn. Gbogbo èpè tó bọ́ sẹ́yìn keyboard tó ṣẹ́ pátápátá Tóyìn gbogbo ẹ̀ ló máa jẹ́ ti àti tìdílé ẹ̀ àwa náà máa ń rí sọ tó bá ti ṣiṣẹ́ ibi wàá lọ sápamọ́ people have been complaining about this thing but kò yé mi I don't know because kò ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi until you attacked me on a good day Tóyìn gbàgbé ẹ̀ káyọwọ́ industry tó bá pàdé mi wọ́n nà wọ́n ó máa mú kúnlẹ̀ ni gbàgbé ẹ̀ Ọlọ́run mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe tó bá jẹ́ pé ìwọ ló wà nírú ipò táwa wà yìí ò ní mí Tóyìn Ọlọ́run mọ ohun tó ń ṣe alhamdulillah gbogbo nǹkan tí n bá sọ tó bá jọ ọmọ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ astagafurullah kí ló dé ń jẹ́ kí n ká máa gúnra wa lójoojúmọ́ òun ni pé I want peace I want love I don't want pé kéèyàn kan máa gé ẹnìkan kéèyàn kan máa ṣe gbá ẹnìkan maybe I should tell you what happened when I travel èmi nìkan kan náà ń dá dúró they stop other Nigerians but being a celebrity because when they swap your card it will appear that you're an actress or an actor they will stop you they will take you into their office they will ask you what do you do for a living blah 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 and I asked one of this immigration I said why are you doing this to Nigerians he says as a matter of fact we receive a lot of emails from Nigerians that also person is coming stop him or her our people are carrying drugs Nigerians are carrying drugs Nigerians are into money laundering that Nigerian complains too much that do you know how many emails we receive on Nigerians every day that we purposely even send some people back I was shocked lára àwọn tẹ́ jẹ́ kó dá padà yìí ẹni tó ta lé tó ta ọ̀nà tó fẹ́ fi lọ lóyìnbó wà láàrin wọn Tóyìn look at what happened in South Africa a few days ago none of your fans your followers none of them could stand Tóyìn the way you attacked me the way you attacked other artists if you've been able to gather such strength to assist Buhari this country will be a better place Tóyìn those your fans those your fans your followers if they can be able to buy your lipstick ẹyọ kọ̀ọ̀kan Tóyìn ayé ẹ máa ní flavour jù báyìí lọ I have my own child you have your own Tóyìn these people are young you know some of them won't be able to use their email some of them won't be able to travel out again some of them won't be able to use their life because of the hate the kind of job you've invested in their bloodstream because of the kind of job you've invested in their bloodstream Tóyìn if you want a better life you want a good life you don't destroy people I will come out and tell you your publicist is a failure and you said you won't come to gutter Tóyìn you can cut someone like me a gutter of money a gutter of success a gutter of zero to hero thank you for not coming down to my gutter because you are not meant here we don't want people like you in this gutter and I pray to Almighty Allah to dig this gutter very well but congratulations to you that you stay in mansion of poverty mansion of failure Tóyìn you live in mansion of miserable lẹ́nu ẹ̀ sí mi pé wò ní stoop solo Tóyìn tó bá wá 100,000 odidi lákàntì ńkọ́ kí ló rò pé ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀